Here I have Lenovo K6, and today I'm going to show you how to connect this device with the XIAOMI AirDots headphones. So to do this, firstly you have to open the case. You have to enable Bluetooth. So then you have to eject these headphones, hold down buttons on them to for them to enter. Okay, they're already in the pairing mode, so just tap on these Redmi AirDots 2 and they are connected. So if you want to disconnect them or just forget this device, go to the settings and tap forget. And that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.